In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or enable comments on your YouTube videos. So if you had disabled comments on your YouTube videos and at one point you want to go ahead and enable them and you can't figure out how to do it, then this video will show you exactly how to go about it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your YouTube Studio. So I'll click on my profile icon here and then click on YouTube Studio. Now from here, go to this section called Settings, and under Settings, click on Upload Defaults. Under Upload Defaults, go ahead and click on Advanced Settings. Then under Advanced Settings, scroll down until you get to this section called Comments. And currently you can see my comments are turned off. Now to turn them on, go ahead and click on this, and then you have an option either to retain off or change this to on. And now you can go ahead and save, and now the new videos that you upload, this function will be turned on. So that's how you can turn on comments on your YouTube videos. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.